Good morning. So today I am doing a deep conditioning, I guess you can call it. I'm going to curl my hair back up. So I want to do a conditioner with the Aztec clay, black seed oil, apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it. So if you do not have this, you need to get it. It's the Indian Healing Clay. This stuff is amazing. I just picked up some black seed oil, which is supposed to be really good for the hair. I'm also going to add castor oil. So being that I straighten my hair, I want to give it life back, you know? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Aztec clay. I don't measure this, I just eyeball it. I take some apple cider vinegar. I actually found this at Dollar Tree, guys. I don't measure anything, so don't judge me. I just eyeball it all. This is my first time using black seed oil. Just use 2 of these. And then I'm gonna mix it before I add the conditioner. Need some water, of course. Just mix it. It stinks. The things we do for our hair. I might have put too much water. I don't want it to be so runny, you know, and make a huge mess. I want it to be more of a pasty consistency. And then I'm gonna add the conditioner. Like I said, eyeball it. I'm gonna put this on, work it through my hair, as you will see, and let it sit for as long as possible. See the consistency? And whenever you're gonna use the Aztec clay, never use metal. Always use glass. It will mess it up, the metal. You can use this clay for so many things. You can use it for your hair. You can use it for your teeth. You can use it for your skin, for your face, you know, for facials. You can use it for your body. It has so many benefits to it. I just love it. So this is it. So this is the result of me putting all of this on. You can see the curls are popping.